While everyone is talking about ChatGPT, there's another AI quietly becoming just as powerful, and in some ways even more useful. It's called Claude, and it's not trying to win attention, it's trying to win trust. What Claude AI actually is. Claude AI is developed by Anthropic, a company founded by former researchers from OpenAI. But unlike most AI companies, Anthropic has a different focus, not just intelligence, alignment. Claude isn't just designed to be smart, it's designed to be safe, predictable, and reliable, especially in real-world use. And that difference shows up immediately in how it behaves. The core difference. Most AI models are optimized for performance. Claude is optimized for understanding. It's better at following complex instructions, better at staying on topic, better at handling long, structured tasks. And that makes it especially powerful for things most people don't associate with AI yet. Reading documents, analyzing reports, working through detailed workflows. Because Claude isn't just responding, it's processing. Long context, the real advantage. This is where Claude becomes different. Most AI models struggle when conversations or documents get too long. Claude doesn't. It can handle extremely large context windows, meaning it can read and understand entire books, long PDFs, or extended conversations without losing track. That changes what AI can actually do. Instead of summarizing small pieces, Claude can analyze entire systems, contracts, business plans, research papers, all at once, and still respond with clarity. Writing and reasoning. Claude is especially strong at writing, not just generating text, but maintaining tone, structure, and consistency over long outputs. It can write in a cinematic style, a technical tone, a conversational voice, and it stays consistent throughout. That makes it useful for long-form content scripts reports, documentation. But beyond writing, it's also strong at reasoning. It can break down complex ideas step by step, identify patterns, explain concepts in a way that feels natural, not robotic. Why people are switching. A growing number of users, especially professionals, are starting to prefer Claude for specific tasks. Not because it's louder, but because it's calmer, more controlled, less likely to go off track. When you're working on something important, a business plan, a legal document, a detailed analysis, you don't just want creativity, you want reliability. And that's where Claude stands out. Real-world use cases. Claude is being used in ways that go beyond casual AI interaction. Teams use it to review documents before sending them. Writers use it to refine long-form content. Developers use it to understand and explain complex codebases. It's also strong in education, breaking down difficult subjects, explaining concepts step by step, helping users actually learn, not just get answers. And because of its long context ability, it can keep track of entire workflows without resetting. Limitations. What it doesn't do perfectly. Claude isn't perfect. It can sometimes be more cautious than other AI models, more restrained in certain responses. That's intentional. It's part of how it's designed. But it also means that in some cases, especially highly creative or unrestricted tasks, other models might feel more flexible. Claude prioritizes safety and structure. And that trade-off is noticeable. The bigger picture. Claude represents something bigger than just another AI tool. It represents a different direction. Instead of racing to be the most powerful, it's focusing on being the most usable, the most dependable, the most aligned with how people actually work. And that matters. Because as AI becomes more integrated into daily life, trust becomes more important than raw capability. Claude isn't trying to replace everything. It's trying to do specific things better. Long-form thinking, deep analysis, reliable output. And in those areas, it's already becoming one of the most powerful tools available. So while everyone is watching the loudest players in AI, Claude is quietly building something else. Something more controlled, more focused, and possibly more sustainable in the long run. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to BrainHatch TV. Thank you.